Welcome to Dr. Twisted's Realm of Madness.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dr. Twisted's Toy Time Extravaganza. While I am setting up my toy collection here, when I come across like a certain set or whatever, that I will do a review, so at least I'm making videos until this is set up and I can show off my entire collection, which I'm planning on doing a special for Thanksgiving where I'm doing the walkthrough of my toy room. But today I am going to do a review of Uncle Pigors Let's Play in the Morgue Toxic Toons figures. Now this is probably one of my favorite sets. It's pretty rare. I mean, you can still find them on eBay, and they don't go for a super amount of money. Maybe about $20 to $40 a set, which this is 3 sets right here. They were put out by Mezco Toys in 2005, and they were sculpted by Pinkerton FX, or John Pinkerton. Now let me go through each one. Now this is Pox Mortician and Corpse Boy, and he also came with I think this one is Creeps, and this one is Seedy, or the other way around. And he comes with this little doctor's bag here, a noose, and a saw. Let me pull him out here. Now there's not much to the articulation, but his arm rotates here, and this little arm swivels right in here, and his head moves right here at the neck, which he's got quite the amazing beard. But that's about all the articulation he has. But it's basically just awesome for display. And then he comes with a little noose, which you can put on his little arm there, and then the saw. He also comes with Corpse Boy, which is pretty cool. I don't know, he doesn't have any articulation. Just a cool little extra figure. And each figure, besides for the little teeny ones here, come with a base to help them stand. See if I can get him in. There he goes. This guy is pretty cool. I like Uncle Pigors' art. I pretty much have most of his art books, if not all of them. Some stickers and a t-shirt. And then when these toys came out, I had to get them. I think I got mine off eBay quite a few years ago. Here's the bag. Got the skulls. Nice details. Excellent sculpts, actually. I mean, simple enough, but still pretty cool. Now this is probably my favorite one. It's called the Body Bag Brothers. Let's see here. It's just one, like a squeaky toy here. One solid piece of, plastic with the Toxic Toons stamp on the back. It's very simple. I don't know, I just love the look of it. Looks great on your display. And it drives your dog crazy when you squeeze it. This is Nurse Miss Cery, like Miss Cery, or Misery, and she comes with this dye scum, battery charger cables. She has articulation at the top of the glove here, and on this side as well. Her head moves at the neck, but not very far because of her hair. And I thought she articulated here at the waist, but I'm not sure. She might, but mine might just be stuck from not being played with. It's usually on display. But she's got some pretty cool details. The eye patch, the huge bazongas. She's a vampire. She's got the nurse's hat, the little, I don't know if you can see that, some kind of bug on her, maybe over here you can see it better, on her armband. The back, the little tiny feet. Nice belt with tools on it. It's got the syringe, some kind of arrowhead looking thingy, and the stethoscope. I believe that's what that is. That's what it looks like anyway. But you can also take the tools out of her, or the chargers out of her hands, and set it up. And she also comes with this poison bottle. They're cool. It's got the stupid light, the little details in the cork. It's cool little accessories. Nothing too special, but it's a nice cool set to have. I sure like it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this toy review. And until my next toy review or art video or action figure pickups video, peace.